Hi, it's Andrew again from Guitar Street. Something special for you today. I'm going to introduce you to our second rescue guitar. Its name is Ugly Paul because it has an unfortunate face. So what exactly do we do with rescue guitars? Well, number one, they're vintage Japanese guitars. Number two, they've been abused or neglected to the point where they either don't work or no one wants them. Step three is to try and give this guitar a new life and to document the process along the way before hopefully somebody comes along to buy it. This isn't just about trying to find a good tone. This is about recycling, reusing really good instruments. Most vintage Japanese guitars are beautiful instruments. We're not trying to save the world, we're just trying to save good guitars. From what I can tell, Ugly Paul started off life in Japan, 1973, as an EG 360S. When I picked up this rescue guitar, it was a bit of a shambles. To be honest, it still is a bit of a shambles. I have no idea what's happened to the front of this guitar. If anybody out there knows what's happened to the finish on this thing, please let me know. There's bubbling at the edges of the clear coat near the neck joint and also down the bottom near the strap button. The neck is quite straight, it is in good condition. I've had to re-glue a lot of the binding and I've had to re-glue the nut as well. It's a bit of a bitzer. The electronics have been stolen from a few different places. The switch is a 3-way Epiphone toggle from a previous project. The neck pickup is from a PRS SE. The bridge is a spare Greco pickup which I had lying around. It's actually from a Super Strat. It's going to be really interesting to see how that sounds. I'm a bit worried that it's not going to push the amp very hard. The bridge and tail have both been stolen from another project as well. Our second ever rescue guitar is up and running and we're going to give it a tone test. It's important to remember this is the first time I'm plugging Ugly Paul into an amp. I've got no idea what it's going to sound like. It could be a bucket of shit. Possibly is. As always, I'm running through an AC30, but I'm going to push the signal today with an auxiliary workshop overdrive pedal. Okay, so first impressions, it didn't give me tingles. That bridge pickup has got to go. It's the Toyota Prius of pickups. It's boring as batshit. We want to be able to get those gritty tones. Probably keep the neck pickup for now. Definitely in for a new set of pots as well. Really inconsistent rolling on and off the tone there. I've already ordered a number of upgrades, so there's more episodes to come. I'd love to know what you would like this guitar to sound like towards the end. I'm caught somewhere between 70s hard rock and something a bit more metal. Please hit me up with suggestions. Stay tuned for the next episode. I'd really appreciate your support. Hit subscribe or follow our Instagram at guitarstreet.co. I'm going to go put a decent bridge pickup in this Greco and see if I can get some better tones out of it. Cheers.